Hi there, in this video, I will be guiding you on how to clear your Google Ads search history. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining. And by the way, this will help you remove old search activity and keep your Google Ads account tidy. So first, you will have to sign in or log into your Google Ads account and make sure that you already have it all set up so you can proceed to the next steps. And once you're in, you will just have to click on the tools and settings icon on the top right corner, which you can find right here. And then once you're there, you will just have to click it. And then under the setup, you will select preferences and scroll down to search history. And then you will just have to click history to remove all previous searches. And the confirmation prompt will appear. And then you will just have to tap confirm. And once you're done, your search history will be reset. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. And I really hope it was helpful. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.